Hi there, and welcome to Start a Career as a Mortgage Underwriter. I'm Joe Correa, your instructor in this course, and I want to start by saying thank you. Thank you for choosing this course and for trusting me to guide you on this exciting career journey. You've just taken an important step toward building a rewarding career, and I couldn't be more excited to help you there. In this course, we're going to cover the fundamentals of mortgage underwriting and how it fits into the entire loan process. The key skills and qualifications you need to land your first underwriting job. How to analyze loan files, credit reports, and borrower documents with confidence. And practical tips to help you get hired, including a list of employers actively hiring right now. Now, this is a practical hands-on course, so you're going to walk away with actionable knowledge and tools that you can start using immediately. Now, let's talk about how to make the most of this course. First, it isn't just a course to watch, it's a course to participate in. This is so important. I encourage you to follow along, take notes, practice using the templates and checklists I provided here in this course. Speaking of templates, don't forget to download the course materials. These include helpful resources like a resume template, checklists for underwriting tasks, and a job application tracker, all designed to save you time and make your transition into this new career as smooth as possible. And one more thing, if you find this course helpful, please take the time and leave a review. Your feedback not only helps other students discover this specific course, but it also allows me to improve and keep delivering the best learning experience possible to you, my students. Once again, thank you for enrolling. I'm thrilled to have you here, and I can't wait to help you achieve your goals. Let's get started. Head over to the next lecture, and I'll see you there.